Hi, this is Jeff Keamy, and today we're going to learn how to customize our guest portal. Initially, when you set up your guest portal, it looks very plain and default. It's the default setting. There's no logo, there's no mention of terms of use or acceptable use policy. So we're going to set that up to make it look good and brand our Wi-Fi essentially. So when someone connects to our Wi-Fi broadcast, they will see the guest portal and it will look nice and professional. And we've set up a number of guest portals that are pre-configured, so we've made this as simple as possible. The very first thing you need to do is know which site you're going to be customizing. So I'm going to load up my control panel. And currently I'm going to go to Settings and Wireless Networks, and I'm going to look at the broadcast name. It's ABC Apartments Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is connect to ABC Apartments Wi-Fi. And the reason to do this is to show you what the guest portal looks like initially. This is what the guest portal will look like without any edits. So I'm going to connect right back to Clearwave Home and hit connect automatically. This is my main network, and I don't want to be connected to my guest network while I'm making changes. I just wanted to kind of showcase what the voucher portal looks like default wise. So I'm going to go back here now that I know that it's on a default portal and the guest portal is working properly. I want to take note of this particular sequence of numbers and letters. Generally, I just remember the first three, so we're looking for WEP. So we're going to keep that. We're going to write that down. We're going to go and minimize that window, and we're going to open up our connection to our controller. Now, this is an actual root connection to your server. So you have to be very careful with the things that you do here and make sure that you follow these instructions exactly. I'm going to click on that. And if it asks for a username and password, that username and password was included in your welcome flyer that was issued with your Wi-Fi laptop. And we're going to look for the entry here that matches my site ID. So here it is, WEP. And you'll see portal is here. Now portal will only be displayed if guest portal is actually checkmarked on the site, and since it is actually checkmarked and it's working properly, we can see portal listed here. I'm going to click through that. We've got a bunch of files here, and we don't really care too much about what these files are. What we do know is on our desktop we have a folder called Captive Portals, and it's going to have a number of pre-configured portals for us, and I like to use General for most of the sites that I set up. And I'm going to drag that over, and I'm just going to overwrite everything in that directory. So once this is complete, we're going to go back to our Wi-Fi networks, and we're going to connect right back to ABC Apartments Wi-Fi. This time though, instead of seeing the default guest portal, we're going to see our nice, professional looking customized portal. And here it is. So we've got our nice professional customized looking portal. It's asking to enter the voucher code, and we can gain access to the network by using a valid voucher code. Now you can see in our captive portal directory on our desktop that there are other entries, and there will be a number of entries as we create more that are good for different scenarios. Certain franchises, hospitality franchises require a certain look to their captive portal, and we pre-design all those for you. So this is Jeff Keamy showing you how to customize your captive portal for the very first time.